South Jersey, I'm Meteorologist Joe Martucci. We are at the Stockton, Atlantic City campus for our evening weather. In Atlantic City, the focal point over the next couple of days, we have a coastal storm update for you this evening. The biggest thing is that now we are in a coastal flood alert. We're in a coastal flood advisory for South Jersey. And that's going to be through 11 o'clock tonight on Wednesday evening. We're expecting minor flood stage, and it's the first of what likely is going to be 7 flood stages over the next couple of days during the high tides. And as we go through the evening tonight, we're expecting the typical places to flood. So right here in Atlantic City, expecting flooding on the Bayside, over on West End Avenue, the typical spots as we go through the evening here. Otherwise, we have rain showers throughout the night. They're going to continue until about between 12 a.m. to 2 a.m. and then we're going to diminish. Otherwise, it's a raw, windy day. Northeast winds will continue into the night. Temperatures are going to be falling down pretty slowly and then bottoming out in the 50s. Now let's go into Friday here. We see the winds continue and actually they'll pick up to around 40 miles an hour, especially in Ocean County and along the shore. Now with that, we're going to see 2 cycles of high tide flooding. They're both looking to be at least above where we would consider something more nuisance. So we're still going to stay in minor flood stage for the Thursday morning high tide, but it's looking to be on that upper end of minor. Then we're going to be in moderate flood stage for the Thursday evening high tide. And a coastal flood watch is in effect for that Thursday evening high tide all the way until the Friday evening high tide. Moderate flood stage is more than just the usual areas. We're talking about places you might only see flood once or twice a year. See flooding. The last time we saw moderate flood stage was October 27th of last year. Otherwise, I think we have a dry day across the area. It's cloudy again, so it's not going to look the nice. It's probably looking like this, but without the rain. We will see high temperatures in the 60s across the area. Going Friday, 2 rounds of moderate flood stage. I think this is actually the last time, or the first time, we've seen 3 rounds of moderate flood stage since last March of 2018 when we had 4 nor'easters. So we're going to see the shores battered. There will be beach erosion. In addition to that, the strong winds give us a slight risk here for some power outages and some tree branches that fall down too, as they will continue to gust to 40 miles an hour during the day on Friday. By the time we get into Saturday, that storm is going to be pulling away. The wave action will be pulling away. So we're still going to stay in flood stage for Saturday during both high tides, but they're going to be back to the nuisance kind of flooding, save for a couple of back bays, which are going to be moderate stage, I still think. Then as we go into Sunday, we lose that flood stage across the area, and we actually start to see the sun come out. So we will have a partly sunny day for Sunday. Temperatures just around 70 degrees. And next week, as we get to the beginning of next week, looking really comfortable here across the area. Plenty of sunshine, temperatures staying seasonable to just above average. We have full updates on the coastal flooding. We have a county-by-county breakdown of what roads are going to flood. Check us out at thepressofac.com/weather. We will be updating you tonight, tomorrow, Friday, as long as we need to, and we'll answer your questions as well. So from Stockton, Atlantic City, I'm Meteorologist Joe Martucci. Have a great and safe night, everyone.